Hey, welcome to Futures Floor. Let me just get the disclaimer out of the way and we're going to get to the charts. Live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades. We're just trying to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream. We also trade offline as well, so you don't get to see the complete picture. We are not licensed professionals. We are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of traders lose money, and we are not responsible for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please also read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading, since the trades have not been executed. The results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41 and let's get to the charts. Good morning. We're starting early today. Well, not really early. A little bit early. 1 minute early. Looks like there was some pretty decent price action to the upside in the overnight session. Let me put it over here on the two charts. I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, which is the bottom left, the gray box is the Asian session. The blue box is the London session. Good morning. Funny man, short 911 for 866. Good price. Gray box is the Asian session. We didn't trade below the lows of the Asian session. We only traded above the highs of the Asian session. That's bullish indicator number one for me. Having a big tea again today, no coffee. Let me take a quick look at the levels on the 30-minute chart. Good morning, good morning, good morning, woodchip. Stretch this one out a bit over here. So this level at 21,900, I thought it would be a bit of a bugger to get through, but we really didn't stall for too long and we traded through it. That's really interesting. These dotted lines are the London session highs and lows that we see. So if we're trading above that level and that level holds, I got to assume once again the bias is to the long side unless sellers get a little bit aggressive and push it down below that zone and maybe even below the London lows, which is again this dotted line over here. We took previous high 1/6 Monday 896.75. Yeah, I'm gonna look at those highs and lows in a minute on a chart that's marked up more for the days. Currently we are trading, wow, nice, 125 points above yesterday's high. Yesterday's high, as you can see over here, is the green dash line, and yesterday's close is the black dash line. So we're trading substantially higher, but a 0.5% higher over the close and the high of yesterday's session. Really the only other thing left for me to look at is VWAP, and we are quite a bit above VWAP as well. So does that mean there won't be selling today? No, of course not. It just means that we can expect the buyers to return at some point, most likely. Took a previous high Monday 896. Let's do Monday. Monday was over here. Monday, yeah, Monday. Monday was the half a day. Oh, what? Oh my goodness, 1.6. Yeah, that's the. I understand now what you're referring to. Yeah, that's probably down over here. Yeah, that's the zone I have marked off here. The 21,000. I mean, approximately. It's an area. But yeah, this is definitely what you're talking about. Open up the data box. I understand it now exactly what you're referring to. This definitely has to be January 6th. Yep. 896. Yeah, I was calling it the 21,900 level. And we just traded through it with during the London session here, 4 in the morning, without much difficulty. So I have to say I'm impressed with the strength of the market. Let me just look at the daily. Daily is continuing to show strength. Right before the days of dumping. Yes. The dusk is always before the dawn, or the dawn is always before the dusk.
What?
The rise is before the dumping. Try this when David hooks on. Just put that one in your ear. I never use it anyways, that one. And you'll hear, but David didn't join in yet. Text him.
Keep falling out of my ear.
Left ear.
I gave you the wrong one.
No.
Yeah,
No,
you
no,
gave me the right head thing until we put in your left ear.
Serious?
Yeah. I saw an hour on it after it couldn't fit in my ear.
That's the weirdest thing. I've been doing it wrong then all the time. Good morning, Alex. What Chip says.
Good morning.
Good morning. No kidding. I've been doing it wrong all the time.
Why does it keep falling out of my ear?
It doesn't even make sense to me because the other doesn't work for me. I think my ears are on backwards. Uh-oh. My ears are on backwards. Where's James? What, Chip? Did you see all the new thumbnails I created? Go to I can't call it the home page, but go to the main page of my channel and then click on the live tab. I don't know what you want to call it. And you'll see some of the new thumbnails I posted. You'll get a laugh. One of them I call the Greek fisherman. Did you see the Greek fisherman? Hey. Did you see the Greek fisherman?
I think I did. I'm not sure.
Hold on, let's see if I can put it up over here on Skype. Oh, there we are.
Well, I was sick for like
Oh, I'm sick now too. Did you hear? Here, Greek fisherman.
I think I got re-sick.
You re-sicked?
Yeah.
No, you never got better.
I was better. I only had one nostril left, and then I went to bed, and then I woke up again with a sore throat, and now more blocked the nose.
Anyways, if this works, I'll get you one, and you can just cut out the other one. You only have one.
I slept 9 hours.
Yeah, good man.
I look at 11:30. I woke up at 9.5 hours. I slept.
Not me. I went to bed at 3 in the morning and got up at 7, so I got 4 hours.
How many bags you got in there?
How many bags of what? They took them out. So, did you see? Are you laughing? Funny guy? Over here, the Greek fisherman?
Yeah, I see.
It's funny what AI can do, eh? And the funny thing is, most of the AIs, they won't take a picture because they don't know if it's copywritten. I don't know what the right word is. You mean the video shorts?
There's no.
No, click on the live tab.
Last year's Super Bowl, everyone was using AI to put naked pictures of what's his name, Travis Kelce's girlfriend. It's a singer.
Oh, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, no, click on the live tab. And I put a bunch of thumbnails for all the past streams. One of them
Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift, okay.
And we're using AI to put naked pictures of her all over the internet. She was losing her mind.
I remember hearing about that. One of them, I told the AI to make me look a little bit more like a villager. It gave me this Greek fisherman look. And actually made me a singer. I think I said maybe a Greek singer in the town square. And the other one I said, make me look younger. And I gave it a picture. They're funny. Anyways. I was told in no uncertain terms by a few people, get rid of the big image of the girl in her nightwear. Really? Why does OBS keep disconnecting? Yeah, the next real significant level that I have marked off on the chart is 22,100. And that's the high, I think, from sometime in December.
President Trump is speaking tomorrow. I just saw him for
He speaks every day. This guy likes to talk.
No, they put him in Red Folder News.
No kidding, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was the Christmas. December 25, December 26, 22,100. That's this little area up here.
President Trump speaks tomorrow, 11 a.m.
Yeah, there's some news tomorrow also.
Yeah, 8:30.
So looking at the chart, obviously it's the highs that created over here. Oh no, that's the highs that were created over here. We still have another level at 22,400. I don't even have that one marked off. Lo and behold. I don't know, I'm looking at a chart like this. Yes, I agree with you, and I think that 971, 996, I think we can even potentially see higher than that. Yeah, I'm going to go look. It's very low. It's terrible. The volume's horrific. And so is the ATR. Look at the volume. 266,000 contracts at this hour. That's like 1/3 of a normal day's volume. Okay, well, up. If it's displaying properly, I'm going to check. Yep, the Bulenox account that's up 978 is going to be trading Counter-Strike. And the other account, Apex, is going to be trading the manual trades, my scalping system.
Yes.
Yes.
How is that?
5-minute chart.
The 1 minute.
I don't have a 1 minute. Why did a funky bar? Oh my god. Yeah, so here it's on the 5-minute. This little it's resting. That looks like it's gonna go lower. Crude, $75.63, trading below yesterday's open. I have to change that to a white chart. Bitcoin 104, still holding above 100,000. Impressive. I'm flat. And Counter-Strike doesn't show up on the chart that I have displayed, but I have it on the secondary chart also, and it's currently in short mode. Let's get to the main charts. Let's get ready. Oh, that's funny. Worked over there. Wow, impressive. Okay. Good. Oops. Okay, let's get ready to trade. What size will I be trading? It's a $150,000 account, but volatility is low. 9:28, 2 minutes. Well, I gotta grease this stupid chair. It makes too much damn noise.
Yeah, we hear it loud in the mic.
Huh? Yeah, it's terrible. It's squeaky, squeaky. Okay, I'll put up the multiple time frame charts. That way we can keep an eye on the 5-minute. We can keep an eye on the London session. 5-minute has a bearish fair value gap a little bit above. We're kind of right now in the middle of the London session, and the markets will be opening in a couple of minutes. Let me just...
Oh, you hear me? Yep.
Where's that come out of? Ah, there we go. Dave, you're coming in at the last second. Okay, Dave, just do an audio check.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Yep, you're working. I just want to make sure it came out. Is that the first one? Are we supposed to be long?
Didn't hit on 9:30.
Oh, it was before 9:30.
9:29.
I'm going to do a 3-lot. Okay, I'll take the first. And if the first trade is a loser, I will take that as a signal from the markets to trade very cautiously and very carefully today.
Sure.
I went off the trade the open signal.
We don't do that anymore.
How come you didn't take this one?
It happened at 9:29.
Oh, serious? All that's happened inside that bar?
Yep.
No kidding.
What do you mean, no kidding? I just told you.
I didn't register it. Okay, breaking over the London session highs. Excellent. That one worked out good. Let me just... Is that you blowing your nose? Dave?
No.
Oh, no? Oh, maybe you were moving something. Sound like you were blowing your nose. Wood chip is short. Ouch. I hope you stopped out, wood chip. Holy moly. Didn't I say in the pre-market analysis everything was like super strong? Nobody listens to me. Put your cursor on that one.
Contredit.
Put your cursor on that one. Put your cursor on that one. On the next one.
No, 9:29.
No, you're not on it.
Here, I'm on it. What time is it?
Okay, click somewhere so you get rid of the blue thing. Anyways, good enough. Just to know around where it is. Yeah, that's a heck of a run. What was the next level that we were saying on the 15-minute chart? 22,100. Okay, well, it's not far away now. Gold is trading down to the previous day's high. I would expect a bit of a bounce off that level. Chart's not up. I don't have a gold chart right now for the stream, but I'm looking it off stream here. Yeah, we've gotten through it. Trying again off target 971 short. Counter strike, still waiting to take a bias. Well, what chip I'm looking to go long at the moment. Yeah, I got... Wow, I also missed the opening drive play. Oh well, I forgot about it. Too many things to watch.
It's a scary candle for the opening.
Yeah, it's huge. It's a bigly candle. Targeting target 971 short. Wait, trying again off target 971. Okay. Well, I think if we trade into the fair value gap, that first fair value gap, midway point's about 935. So if you're short at 971, that would be cool. You can get maybe 35 points off of that. We're way above VWAP, and we're way above the previous day's close at like 775. VWAP is a little under 900. I don't think it would be a bad trade to go long on a retest of the London session highs at 935, which also is sitting at the halfway point of the first fair value gap there. I'm referencing December. Oh, there we go. Almost touching London lows. And now we touch, I'm sorry, London session highs. Now we've touched them. Wow, crazy push up. And a pretty strong rotation back down. But let's see if the 1 minute candle is going to close below the London session highs or close above. And it really looks like it's going to close above. Look at the size of that wick. Wow. It definitely got rejected off that level for that candle. That actually was an impressive rejection. It's usually not so obvious. But that was a candle that said, I don't think so. And I'm sitting here distracted. I didn't get in the long. Oh well. So Dave, not to say I'm going to take it long, but if we close above the two, let me make my chart bigger. Let me go to the big one. Can you see my screen, Dave?
No.
No, you said, oh, okay. Well, there's two bearish candles there on the 1 minute chart. If just hypothetically we were to close above that,
No.
that first one,
No.
that wouldn't be a change of state of delivery. No, that's all I'm saying.
If you close it, yeah, I guess, but no context to it.
The bounce off the London session highs.
No.
The revisit into the first fair value gap. No, it's not enough context.
No.
You had like 300, eh? Open. It's a shame, eh? Almost. It's terrible. That's
Shame. Too bad we're going for 7.
No, I know, but it's a shame that that's the thing about using a reason to sell as your exit. It's expensive, but you never know. That's the thing. You got to stay on the plan. Let me know if it goes.
Well, watch. Hello. Hello.
Yep, I'm watching. Well, it's always yellow. Okay, I'm long at 50. I got triggered in by a signal at 52, so I have about 2 points better. I will get a piece out at 10 points. 50, 59, that's 10 points. That's good enough for me for a piece out. The next piece will be out at 20 points. That'll be at 70. I'll even put that in. Good enough. And the rest I'll let ride to see if we can break the U.S. session highs. One can dream. Let's go. Let's go. It looks like everyone wants in long. Chase it, get me out. There we go. And the last one, I will move a stop to just a little under. Sell stop. And of course, it takes it out, but I'm happy with what I got out of that. And I still can't believe Counter-Strike hasn't taken a trade. What is it waiting for?
Break-evens are annoying.
Yeah.
It's a yes, man.
Where? Oh my God.
Drawing board.
Whoo! Let me change that to a 1 minute. Alex pointed out, guys, take a look at the ES chart on the 1 minute. Look what it's doing. That's actually funny. And we still haven't broken the higher low of the first 1 minute candle. No kidding. First FEG is tiny and we are wicking below and above. On the ES wood chip or on NQ?
On NQ, everyone always looks at NQ.
Well, I don't see how the first one is tiny. 946 to 922. It's a 24-point fair value gap. So London highs still being strongly defended. This is our fourth tap into it, but we're trading above it. I'm not sure I understand that comment. And wood chip, first fair value gap is tiny. My first fair value gap is.
He said it. He's gonna be typing. Don't worry.
Okay. Still watching for a signal from Counter-Strike. And there is nothing indicating a short position, 934 to 936.
David, you hear me if I talk?
It's this mic here that'll have to pick you up.
Well, I heard myself in the mic, so David should hear me.
Yeah, he should. I don't know if he's always...
I heard him like a...
I'm sorry, Woodchip, I don't see a 934 to 936 fair value gap.
Like, look at my screen right here.
Oh. Long trade. I am going to just take a... See, I'm not trading consistent position size. That's no good. Let me add. Can't do a 4 lot, then a 3 lot, then a 1 lot. Long at 50. Again. The signal triggered at 52.
I'm waiting to get out of this range. Hopefully 10 o'clock will cause a nice distribution. We'll be able to catch something. I don't want to trade this range. We're going to get chopped up back and forth, back and forth till one side gets taken.
Well, let me see even if we can break out of the first 15-minute range, which is pretty much set now. 980 to 905, 902, whatever. 982 to 902. Let's get above or below it. And I would say above, because they really defended the London session low. That's that dotted line that's going across my screen over here at 934. Not the time, the price. Yeah, I saw a multi-group stream yesterday. They were trading crypto. There was 8 to 10 guys in there, and yet it was organized. It was pretty impressive.
Oh, ES is like retarded.
Yeah, the 1 minute chart was funny. Well, you have all the longs from the overnight session. Do they continue?
Yeah, you have a daily high above too at like 2208. 008.
So do they continue to hold, or do they want to get paid? That's the question. Target filled. I don't know if you heard that. Counter-Strike took a trade. That was fast. 68.90. Way to go.
Yeah, I got out.
Yeah, me too. Horrifically, but...
Not supposed to.
Why I say horrifically is because we have...
Oh, we're good.
Yeah, we are. The U.S. session highs are there, and I don't know. I feel like we're going to just blast right through it.
I got a little more than 2 bars. It's fine. That would only be a 1 bar profit.
Best trades happen around 10. Yeah, I'm starting to watch the first 15-minute opening range. I know a lot of people use that as the opening range breakout trade, and they don't use the initial balance the first 1 hour.
Well, ES is in a range of like $9 since like 8 a.m.
No kidding, really?
It's crazy.
No, it's not so bad. It's this zone here. It's this bar coding that...
What do you mean? Look at the top.
Yeah, but it's a little bit of a rally here.
$9.
It's movement. It's the ES. It's the ES. The ES has a smaller range. It's 1/3. That's 6, 12, 18, 9, 18, 27. Yeah, it's only about 30 points in the NQ.
1 point, very small.
I'm not sure what the ES trades usually, though. Okay, well, I'm just looking at gold. It's off the charts here, but gold traded a little bit below the initial balance low, and then buyers stepped up, pushed it right back in. Where's James? James isn't in today. Maybe he sent me a text. Oh, yeah, he did. Got a message from James. Traded since the morning. I was not going to come by today. It's Vicky's birthday. Happy birthday, Vicky. Glasses keep falling on my face. Well, I had a couple of better entries, so I'm willing to get a worse entry for a one lot. It got triggered in at 65, target filled for Counter-Strike. We're up 128, and when I get a much worse fill, I take a smaller profit. I'm not going to let this go against me just because my risk now has been skewed. Counter-Strike up 128. If you could see, that's on the Bulenox account. Hands off, all running on its own. I have to check the contract. I don't even know if I can do that on Bulenox. So far, there we go. We just broke the 15-minute.
We're definitely heading to that 22,008 level.
Yeah, I think so too. I think the next stop on this run really is going to be the 22,100. I don't see any indication that the buyers are going to let up today. I won't even say it's going to be a slow grind to the upside. But I'm not going to form a bias. I'm just going to trade the charts. So far, what we get? We got a 3, a 4, and this one here.
Yeah.
So move the blue line just like into the red, so I know that where it started.
Oh, threes are break even.
Break even 1, and whatever this one does.
Yeah.
No, move the blue line.
I'm up almost 2.
Yeah, move the blue line into the reds, just so I know that the first trend. Yeah, okay, I know that it started from there. Okay, I have a moment here, so let me put up a Counter-Strike and show you the trades. Counter-Strike went long over here at the close of this bullish candle. It was the first bullish candle inside the green zone. Took profit. Same thing over here. First bullish candle inside the green background. Went long, took profit for 2 bars. And that's it. That's all it does.
Opening drive, what is that?
Simple as that. The opening drive. What did the opening drive do? The opening drive is still long. No, we didn't get across onto the lower price channel yet. So the opening drive is up about 45 points right now and still going. The opening drive's having a good week. Had a shitty week last week. The opening drive trade lost every day last week, but hasn't lost this week yet. Had a small winner for about 5 points. Yesterday, I think it had a 40-point winner. I'm not really sure. Don't remember. Haven't gotten any trades off the Heiken Ashi chart yet. Still waiting for that first trade. Shit, and I forgot to take the trade on the Top Step X account when we touched the band for the long-term trade. That's okay. I keep forgetting those. Oh, you know why? Because it's not on my screen. Well, if nothing changes, sitting on my hands waiting for my next long setup.
We're going for that 22,008 level.
Hmm.
It's right there.
22,000 might see a little bit of a bump lower. Everyone's sick. It's crazy. I was trying to fall asleep yesterday and I felt runoff keep dripping into my throat. There we go. I think we go to... I thought we would go to just 22,005 and get pushed lower. Yeah, we got a fourth person in the room. Let's see, cancel. Woodchip, you there? You don't want to join in on the audio? Your link is still valid if you want, anyways. Just say hello if you log in, because I'm not watching the screen, but we'll hear you. I don't even have to add you to YouTube if you don't want. Let me know. I'm in bed. Yeah, well, you can still talk while you're in bed.
What we missed.
Well, it's gonna happen. Is that a 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we missed a 42-pointer.
Oh, I went too quick. It started here.
Yeah.
And you got in like...
I got in late and I got in for a 1 lot. I don't care. I'm doing good. Family is asleep. Yeah, no problem. I'm just teasing you. I'm gonna drink some from my mega tea. I feel healthier already. Well, I would love to have a great day with my first day with Bulenox trading the Counter-Strike. Maybe get up to $400 or $500. That would be cool. What about... Oop, someone got a message somewhere. What about you, Dave? Did you see my fisherman's friend? I was working on thumbnails yesterday. I don't think I sent it to you. Here, let me copy it. I'll send it to you. Oh, you don't have Skype?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'd have to send it to you on Skype. Yeah, no, I can't send it to you on anywhere else. Yeah, I'll show you later. You'll laugh. Is Bitcoin following suit? No, Bitcoin is trading lower. I heard someone saying that Bitcoin and NQ kind of follow in tandem. I don't really see a correlation there. I don't know. Wow, Counter-Strike left a lot of money on the table on this trade. I have to look on increasing the profit target. Results are usually always better when you increase the profit target. Just to give you guys an example for my scalping system. For my scalping system, we were initially targeting 7 points, and then we found out that 42 was like 3 times better. ATR is 14 points. The average range of the 1 minute candles is 14 points. Nothing too impressive, and volume is only 456 or 466,000 contracts. Very surprisingly low. Take a look at the 3 charter here. So I got another question for you, Dave, just for me to increase my knowledge here. That bearish candle went completely through the fair value gap, but it didn't close, didn't invert it. So we can still say that that fair value gap was respected, or because the wick went below.
It's the bodies.
It is the bodies, yeah. Bodies tell the story. That may even have a mic, eh? Still no trade on the Heiken SG chart. We haven't had a pullback deep enough on the 15-second chart to signal a trade to the long side. Well, honestly, I think a lot of people look for a reversal between 950 and 1010, and this was a very strong move to the upside. So we're getting a little bit of a consolidation here on the 1 minute chart. 5 candles. It's currently 10:01. I wouldn't be surprised to see some sort of selling come in the markets now, at least for, I'm not saying for the whole day, but at least for a bit. I concur.
Oh my God, Mike.
What?
It's not closing.
Yeah, that happens sometimes. That's the
Shit.
I hate those air pockets. That used to happen a lot more often, eh? Well, the 15-second went down, and that wasn't even at 10 o'clock, eh? No, it was at 10:02. The 15-second went down enough to have a trade triggered. Right now, long at 20, 22,000 exactly, but the stop's at 975, and I don't take 15-second hike in SG trades with a 25-point stop. I take him with a 3-point stop. And if you guys want to watch, it looks like Counter-Strike is long again. Woo, this could be a dangerous one because the range really expanded. Come on, push it higher, get me out, get me out, get me out. Push it higher, get it out. There we go, target filled, 187 on Counter-Strike, very good. That one made me nervous because shit damn, and I missed the next long. I'm forgetting to watch this chart. I think that's 3 for 3 on Counter-Strike. Pretty sure. Open up this chart over here. I'm not going to take it, but if we invert this bearish fair value gap on the 1-minute chart, I can see us taking out the US session highs again. And that could be our selling. Our 950 to 1010 selling may be over. Au revoir. Let's go. 15 seconds. Got to close above 22,012. We're currently trading at 22,008. Not going to be on this candle. Could be a short. Yeah, like I said, I expected some selling to come in between, you know, that 950 to the 10 o'clock reversal is famous. I think everyone looks for it. Everyone knows about it. So it could just be a self-fulfilling prophecy, especially on a run-up like that. But, yeah, I'm not going short. I don't got anything to tell me to go short. I'm not counter trend trading anymore. I'm going to just stick to trading price action, not ICT or counter trend trades. It throws me off balance too much. Trying to look for a sell at the same time you're trying to look for a long is mind-numbingly painful. I think that's what I could say. Woodchip is a dedicated trader. Even in bed, he's watching the charts. Okay, we poked our heads above the bearish fair value gap, but we still haven't closed above it. But let's see now a strong push, 10-point push. There we go. Come on, push it, push it. And it's also going to be a close above the high of the previous candle. That's a pretty strong bullish indication. I feel wide awake though. And that was your 10-point push. Very good. Very good, very good. And Heiken SG, target filled. Really? Way to go. I love hearing it in my ears. Target filled. Another winner for Counter-Strike. I didn't even know. Let's load them up. This was number 3. That was number 4. I like it. I like it. I'm happy. So far, what did I have? I had a 109 plus 109 day. I think a minus 155, and now I'm up 209.
Oh, that
I know
jumped down from,
the
like 4 bars.
market
Cost me, like,
turbulence garbage.
$800.
Yeah, maybe an emergency stop wouldn't be a bad idea. Like 7 points under where we're supposed to get out. Oh, I didn't do a sound check. Just out of curiosity to see what is Windows doing with my mic. Device properties 56. Let's get it a little higher. Let's get it into the 80s.
It's loud now.
Yeah, it's supposed to be loud because my streams are always quieter than Windows is going to drop it anyways. When Windows plays with my settings all the time. You know, there's nowhere I can set them in.
Mike.
What?
Nothing. Talking a lot about Windows settings.
Oh, yeah. Well, making a conversation. I'm sitting on my hands here now.
What chip?
What chip?
Cool name.
Hmm?
It's a fun name.
Uh-huh.
Are you planning on going gym tonight?
I barely hear him.
David, are you planning on going to the gym tonight?
No idea.
Check if there's a mic setting on your thing. You might just have to click a button.
There's no mic. They don't put mics on this. They put mics on this. No one puts a mic on something like that. Have you ever seen a headset?
No, the mic would be here.
The mic would be here. My point. There's nothing on it.
Right here. This little thing here. That's where the mic thing is. I had one that had a little piece there. I'm not saying there is one, but I had one just like that. There was a mic button right on it. I had no idea where the mic was. It was probably somewhere in that piece. Anyways.
I don't think so.
Could be a setup.
I hate doing it here.
What, the 3 highs? Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm not a fan of that. And it's also the U.S. session highs. That's just pretty much above us by 4 points. It sucks as you got to take them all, sort of, but well, I'm trading scared, which is no good.
There's an S&P.
Which means, what does that mean? I'm trading scared. I'm green and I don't want to give it up. But I'm not green by a lot, so.
It's always when I click sell. It hesitates for so long, and I just want to get out to get some profit back.
Yeah. Looks like we could be reaching for that 22,100. Anyways, you did better than me. I didn't even take that trade. Nice moves today, though. I like what I see on the charts. I see price action, or I'm understanding price action much better than I was yesterday. Not because I lost. I even said it on the stream. I just wasn't seeing the charts. And the reason being was that I had some charts that were bearish and some charts that were bullish, and I didn't know which bias to follow. Now it's easy. Everything is bullish.
point-of-sale system helps you sell at every stage of your business.
I don't know if I want it. I don't want it.
Mm. I'm long at 26. Got triggered in at 29, so I have 3 points better.
I'm waiting for Dave.
I got up for nothing. At least a piece there. No gains. I don't want my green, my accounts to go red. Not willing to put on risk, to take on risk.
Since you're on, I wanted to go red now. So our numbers would be better.
Yeah, nobody wants to go red. Everyone's protecting their tiny little profits. Nothing happening yet. We're just trading here at the high of the U.S., near the highs of the U.S. session. But that in itself is also bullish. I know Al Brooks, right? I think he talks about that quite a bit. When the market is unable to go down, it just keeps consolidating near the highs and then making another leg higher. He says that's 10 minis long. The second I would do that. Yeah, this might just be all the selling that we saw at 10:03. Nobody entered a trade, no, for a while now. Nobody's entered a trade. We're all just sitting here on our hands waiting. Counter-Strike, my automated strategy's up 246 on the day. That's good. And the Bulenox account, BX02844.
Putting drive is failing too.
Opening drive still is long. It didn't close below. The opening drive is now up 950. Almost 100 points on the opening drive. But that's just a trade that's being forward tested. Visually, not even on sim.
Dave.
What you doing, Dave?
Really, yeah.
Oh, this is
Jolly Rancher.
oh, I thought you were talking about that.
The mic is picking up on me chewing. I heard it in my ears.
No, there's no chewing. It's the bag that you got. Okay, I'm going to get a signal here on the 15-second Heiken sheet chart. Again, I'm not going to take it. Well, I'm not going to take it because the stop is at 22,003. That's 17 points away. That's still way too far for a 15-second entry. I'm long 6 micros. Well, the 22,000 was a level that, oh shit, I missed it again. You didn't tell me.
I missed it too. It went too fast.
Oh.
Oh no.
'17 entry, '02 stop. I have a stop at '08 on this trade. Yeah. Not trading with the utmost confidence anymore, which is wrong. They're good, eh? See, that's what happens when, at least with me, I don't know if it happens with you guys, but when I get all winners in the morning, my brain's telling me that I'm due for some losses. And if you think like that, you don't get to take advantage of those spectacular days that just keep ringing the cash register all day long. Okay, stopped out. I got out for that one. Small loss. Counter-Strike is still long. I can actually, I'll put it up in the meantime because I don't have a trade that's anywhere near the, so this is the Heikin-Ashi entry. We traded into the price channel on the 15-second, but the 1 minute is showing strength. So the setup rules is go long in the first bullish bar, use the lower line of the price channel as your stop. But like I said, that was a 17-point stop, and that's just too big for the 15-second chart. If I would have gotten a white candle at this level over here, my stop was 4 points, I would take it, because I either target the ATRs, which is 13 points right now for my profit target, or the opposite PC on the other side. So 31, if I can cut in at 8, that would have been about a 23-point profit target for a 4 or 5 point risk. I'll put up the Heikin-Ashi over here. See if we touch the opposite side of the price channel, or would that trade have gotten stopped out? I didn't take it, but there you go. That trade would have gotten stopped out. Target filled. I just heard target filled. Wow, I love it. Wasn't even watching, and Counter-Strike went short. Look at that. Target filled. No losers yet. Target strike, Counter-Strike is 5 for 5 or 6 for 6. I'm not sure. One of the things I'm looking at is on the Heikin-Ashi, once you get stopped out, do you take the second entry? I'm not a big fan of taking a second entry. 1 minute is still long bias, but 22,009, this case 9, 10, 11, 12, the stop would be 12 points away. It's getting tighter, probably because the average range of the 1 minute candles is getting smaller. Opening range drive, still long. I saw it turned white. I'd like to be able to at least hit 300 on the Apex account today.
Tell Alex to look at the 30-second on NQ.
Yeah, he hears you. He hears you. He has a bud in his ear.
Al, you hear me?
Yeah.
30-second on NQ, there's that fair value gap at 1027.30. If it inverses it, I'll take 2 short. I want this candle to inverse it though. Alright, never mind. Never mind. Oh, price is really all over the place.
Yeah, it's got a little bit more difficult to trade now that we're consolidating in the upper levels of this morning range. The initial balance is set. I'm going to go long and short on 2 accounts. You shouldn't be doing that, would Chip?
No.
What an ugly range. Been raging for almost an hour.
Mm.
See, that's also one of the most important things to know when to trade and when to not.
Yep, I agree.
Setup could look good, but then you look at the market conditions and you're just in a tight consolidation range. It's no point to take it.
Yeah. So far in this area here, we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 6th trade, and none of them have performed.
Especially not for full risk.
But I wouldn't be surprised to see us push through the initial balance high and again make another push higher, just like we did with the London session highs, the way we blew through it. And the retest trade was beautiful.
Yeah, it looks like we want to continue up.
I'm going to lose audio for a bit. I'm going to go long and short. He's going to lose audio. No problem. No problem. It's pretty quiet now.
Having trouble pushing to 30.
But it could be a strong push through it. I mean, the initial balance, the first test, often gets rejected. But looking at the strength of the market, I wouldn't be surprised if today's one of those days when it just blows through it. You can get maybe even 20 points above it. So you're talking 22,057. I used to track how far it went on a push that doesn't come back in. My tea is getting cold. Ah, that's what that sound was. 22,037 is the initial balance high. Wow. Impressive. Okay, I'm going to take a coffee break. David and Alex, you'll still hear each other. I'm muting my mic. That means Alex will hear David, but David won't hear Alex. I'll be back quick though. Just gonna go refresh my tea, add a little honey to it.
Hello, jackass. I hear you. I hear you. Careful, he might be a terrorist. Carlos said that to Justin at the bank, and the next customer was an Arab taxi driver. Carlo printed the picture from the taxi scene and put it on Justin's desk when he was helping the client. Oh my god. Oh, my voice is destroyed. Well, gold is still within the first range. How's crypto doing? Bitcoin's at what? 104? 217, 317 US. I want to start to get some follow through down. We have a tiny SMT. If we could close below that 1 minute for value gap at 1037, see some momentum down, we could start to see some movement down. A target is 1002 low. That's the first low I want. I'm not joking. I just heard Mike take the biggest fart in the kitchen. I think that's why he wanted to mute his mic. I hear him mixing tea and letting go bombs out of his ass. It's crazy. I hope no one in the chat tells him we heard the fart. That would be pretty funny.
I'm back. Didn't miss anything. We're still in the same consolidation zone right at the initial balance high. Oh, what's happening with the... Are you kidding me? Oh, okay. I'm talking to myself here.
What do you mean?
Counter-Strike is long, and I thought it was short. We'll watch the Counter-Strike trade. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Doesn't want to pop up. It's like stuck at the 40s, man.
Yeah, that's exactly my... Yeah, I'm long at 22.040. That's what Future Strike is.
Oh,
Counter-Strike Future Strike.
look how close it is to form a bar. It just comes here and it hesitates at for the 41, 50, and be careful. He might be a terrorist.
Okay, I exited Counter-Strike and I'm taking my 300. It's not going to be trading Bulenox anymore. I'll track it on the on the sim account as well, but that's it for me for Counter-Strike. I think it did well. It gave me a good day for the first day on my Bulenox account. What was it, 3? It's
This is so annoying. I've been in this trade for like 20 minutes and it's going to give me a loss.
Yeah, we'll look at the 997.
It's be like 47.
Wow.
Short fetch, so
Alex has enough boogers to feed the homeless.
for real.
To feed the homeless. Yeah, you don't get that everywhere else, huh?
We heard you letting go gas. Let's stop me out. Stop me out and it's gonna go. When I lose it. You don't say anything, Dave.
No, bro.
So choppy, bro. I might stop at break even.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Peaceful. As soon as I
It's
get
going
out,
for the eyes again.
Yeah. I'm laughing because I avoided a bullet with Counter-Strike. It would have actually had a loser. Hiking Ashes. Went long at 22.035, stopped 22.022. That's still 13 points, too big, especially when the ATR, the average range on the 1 minute candles is only 11 points. I'm not taking a trade for 11 points when my risk is 13. My tea is a lot better with honey in it now. Oh, I'm covering up the...
Third time it goes to the 40s.
Yeah, well, that's the initial balance high. However, we have closed above it. Closed above it, closed below it, closed above it, closed below it, closed above it, closed below it, closed above it, closed below it. 4 times on the 1 minute chart.
Your gold just closed above.
Yeah, gold just closed above.
Yeah, yes it did.
Wow, what terrible price action.
Mm,
The hell is this?
data series, show data box. 70.4 and now the close 70.3. High 70.2. Okay, so just testing the mic here. Oh, how can I see chart? Got stopped out. Second entry came in. This time the stop is 21 to 12. Still 10 points. Still too large to take it.
What am I looking at?
Hmm. Waiting for the fireworks.
No, have to wait.
Hmm.
You don't have to wait.
Well, for the first time today, I'm starting to get some bearish readings on the charts. Not on all of them, but on some of them. 1 minute, 5 minute. Heiken Eshi. Let's take a look at the 3 time frames. Counter-strike is short at 12. I took a little piece manually at 14.75. Previous trade on Counter-strike was a loser. So when it's hot, it usually trades at 80-85% accuracy. 12, I'm looking at 4 for a target. Seven bid, 6 bid, 8. We got the 22,000 level, and people could be front running it. We can also blow through it. But I'm not going to let my last piece actually give me a loss. Actually, and that's it. I'm gone. I'm over 300 in the Bulenox account. It's first day. It's a $50,000 account. It's good. Do that for 10 days. The account passes. Do that for another 10 days. You get a payout. Oh, Willie? Oh, Willie! Oh, Willie. Oh, what time was Trump speaking?
Tomorrow.
It was
Tomorrow
tomorrow.
at 11.
Perhaps today.
David said tomorrow.
Mike here.
No, you didn't.
No, you didn't. Again.
No, not for you guys. You guys are in another room. I'm importing you guys from another room. So I'm still connected to that room.
Hey, bro, what is this? Even if it goes long, I don't want to take it. We've been here for
Yeah, I know.
4 hours. It's like stupid.
Well, it's 11 o'clock and you're green. So
Green what?
it's green. It's better than being down. Remember, that's
Bar.
at what you're trading. The range is plus 2,000 to minus 2,000. So, and I'm sure this didn't do well for the day anyways.
Big bearish candles incoming.
Maybe. It's tight though. The range again on the 1 minute candle is only 10
This
points.
one, this
That's
one.
pretty
Back,
low.
Listen.
Whoa, 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 whoa! That's what tell me put out. I'm not gonna want to eat breakfast now.
It was like beads.
Mm,
Oh, where all the smoothies is coming from.
yeah.
I told you, Mike.
Yep. Maybe we're gonna get a little bit of a fast move down now. Rotate down to the IB low now.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro.
IBO, is it IBR?
IBR, IBD.
What's IBO?
IB, the initial bounce low, the low of the first hour's range.
Huh?
IBL, IB low, the low of the first 1 hour's range.
Oh, you said low, not O.
Yeah, I said low.
I heard O.
Well, 5 minute closed above the initial balance high, but we didn't get a full candle above. So on the 5 minute, this is a fade for me.
Yeah, I got a peek.
995, 35. Unfortunately, it's a 40-point stop, which really stinks. That's why I don't like trading on the 5 minute chart. A lot of charts I don't like trading on. Ike can be giving me a signal, but it would be to the short side. Everything except for the 15 minute. Nope, even the 15 minute is kind of short. The only thing that's kind of telling me to continue to stay long is VWAP. Currently trading above VWAP.
Well, it's funny. I told you, big down close candles incoming. And then they show up.
Yeah, it was a 30-point dump. Dave, you also have the crap in the back of your throat. Like we're both
Yeah, I'm sick.
experiencing.
Yeah.
Is he there?
Who?
Dave, you asked him a question.
Oh, yeah, he's there. Yeah, it's well, we traded into the midpoint of the bullish fair value gap on the 5 minute chart. You can see that on the top left.
It's not pounds, Dave.
Guess not, pounds, Dave. What you thinking?
I don't really see anything that I like.
For us over here, everything is looking to the downside for now. It could change swiftly. We just need to get a push back up into the 22,024 level, and our bias will switch to the long side for the short-term scalps that we do. Well, we could be heading lower. I got a couple of signals saying sellers came back in. Could change on a moment's notice, but see if we can get over the 22,014 level and close above that. Start looking for that. Well, the opening drive play got out. How many points did the opening drive take out?
Oh, what horrible price action.
Opening drive went long at 9:53 and exited at 22,020, so took out 70, 60, 67 points. That was a good day for the opening drive play. Well, for now, just watching the bearish fair value gap on the 5-minute chart. I'll expand the chart so we can watch it. Nothing else really. But still looking currently to take a short trade. That may change very shortly.
Very short.
And that's it. It's done. It reversed. Now we're looking for longs. We're waiting for a setup. So I am looking for longs, but I need a bit of a retrace before I'll enter. One of two accounts will pass. Yes. You're doing it with different firms, I hope, right? And believe it or not, that statement is not necessarily true, especially if you're using firms that have trailing drawdown. Because you can actually, well, again, it depends. Depends on what size account. If you're doing a $50,000 account, it's not so significant. But if you're doing a $150K account, you can actually go green, unrealized for, let's say, 6,000. Then it can reverse on you. Stop you out because of the trailing drawdown if it goes to break even, because you reached your $5,000 trailing loss, and then go back up. So your short account doesn't pass, and your long account busts out.
Yeah, we understood.
Oh, it's because you're not reading the chat.
Chat.
That's why you're in the dark.
You're reading the chat bar. Okay, give me a black candle here, and then the next candle sweeps it and becomes green. Closes the fair value gap. No, it's green. Give me a black one. Oh, I gotta set up my gold.
Yeah, it's gonna trigger soon.
Plug in the charger.
Yeah, in 40 seconds, the order's going to drop to this candle here, and we're trading right at the high of it. So it is possible it, well, it sounds like you're opening up a limp chocolate. It's possible it triggers in immediately.
It has to go that high.
Hmm.
It was so good where it's at.
What level are we pushing up into here? Just under the initial balance low, so hopefully we can push above it. Boom.
We're at the break.
Mike, if gold, let's say I get in at 27.70, then my profit should be at 27.72.
Yep, 2 points. Wow, look at that. Look at the dump continuing on an NQ. I didn't expect that.
Yeah, it's a big dump. What the hell?
30 points. Yeah, no, I thought with the 5 minute, the candle closing above the high. But we have a long time on the 5 minute chart. We have 4 minutes to get pushed back higher on NQ. Evals on Apex, no rules. That might be the one rule that they have. Hedging. But I'm not sure about that at all. I mean, if that's the case, that's very interesting. And I'll tell you why. Because when they have the 90% off sales, you buy the accounts for $13. You get 2 of them. One goes long, one goes short on the news. Or just a little, let's say a little bit after the news, I would do it. And you enter them simultaneously, you're guaranteed to pass one of them. You just wait for the right moment, or FOMC, when the volatility increases. And you got you got a pass for $26. Bitcoin 103.
Are we long or are we short here? Look at the.
Still long. Bitcoin's been trading lower all day.
Oh, what terrible price action.
Mm. It's time for a watermelon candy. I'll leave you a couple. They're Jolly Rancher gummies. Shit.
Oof, it's getting cold in here.
No kidding. I had no idea Nutty Bar does that. With chip. Hmm.
Kubica.
Hmm. Well, it's not that it's Trovit, it's just the delay is, even though it's 1 second. What am I looking at? What do I see?
That inverse at 11:10 might work,
Hmm.
especially if we inverse the one at 10:50 as well now.
Yeah.
Our chances to go for the new highs are pretty high.
It's close already. Let's say you inverse that one at 1050, you're closing approximately 22,033.
Oh, you get in on the one at 11:10 that closed,
Ah, okay, okay.
and you move your stop once it closes above the other one, but there's nothing I really like.
Yeah, the U.S. session highs is 22,042. It's not really far away. 5 minute. I don't know what to read on that. I don't know how to read that. How do you read that on the 5 minute? We broke it, inverted it, but then we came back down. So it's.
It's what?
Hmm?
So?
That's what I'm asking you. So what do you make of that? Nothing. That's it.
It's David.
No,
Bro,
don't
why
ask.
are you even looking at that?
Yeah, I don't know.
Like David would say again, no context.
Okay, that's what I'm asking.
Ah! We're in gold.
No, okay.
Yeah, go to me, Dave.
Yeah, I don't know how to put a TP.
2 points above your entry.
And what is it, a sell limit or sell? No,
Sell limit.
Order submitted.
Let's leave that here. They're gonna get a 2-minute close and a 1-minute close. One in Q shouldn't go for the highs,
Mm.
especially if it closes.
I got a point worse too.
It looks like Counter-Strike. Oh, Counter-Strike is off over here. Why is it off? Ah, because that's the trader. It's not the tracker. I think Counter-Strike took another winner. 28. It was close. It was close.
So funny how every time I enter in gold, I never see green right away. As soon as it enters me, it's just pure red. I never just see green right away.
Mm. Today's the day.
Let's go. For gold.
Hey,
What's going on?
what chip?
Hey, what's up?
It's a party.
I look at my hearing voices.
Yeah. No, of course you're laughing. It's like I said, it's $26 to. It. Yeah. Nah, I don't watch. I should go. I should log into thing. You mind if I put you on this stream, so I don't have a one-way conversation? Okay. Well, you remember when you used your lighter, I heard it. So if it's anywhere close, we'll hear it. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, the opening range break. Yeah, that's a very popular trade. That's why I said it's self-fulfilling because so many. No, of course not. They can't ban the opening range breakout play. Ah, yeah, okay. Maybe he was hedging. Maybe again he was covering both sides. Yeah. Oh yeah, no, you can't do. You can't hedge unfunded. No kidding. I didn't know that at all. It's good to know. That's a great. Shit, at $13, that's a great way to pass accounts. Yeah, but the volatility's so low. We're at 9 points. My ATR. Yeah. Okay, don't forget to mute.
Come on, gold, $1 left. Come on, just pass. 1.3, man. Oh no. Charlie. Gold couldn't have went quick. I don't want to be here till like 12:30.
Mm-hmm.
Same. It's late already.
Yeah, 11:25. It's quitting time soon. London session closes at 11:30, 11. I'm not sure.
It's 12.
Like in London.
12.
It's 12,
12.
is it? Look at that. So the time that there's, I mean, not great moves, but better than this, is when it goes above and below and above and below. And that's how it was also on the day that we kind of took losses. Check that that's 12. Double click on that line and see that the period is 12. Yeah, okay. Well, we're pushing up into the initial balance high again on on NQ. So 37, let's see if we get at least a 10-point pop to 47, and there we go. We got the 10-point pops. Too bad we're not taking advantage of it. I didn't get anything. I don't know about you guys. Five is showing strength, 15 minutes showing strength, 1 minute showing strength, Heiken Eshi showing strength, Renko showing strength, everything saying long again. But I have to say there was no reason to go short early at any time.
I can't get it out.
Yeah, no, it just sits at the back of the throat.
Yeah. And it's annoying because you feel it when you talk.
Yeah, I know. It bubbles. $47.50. We're trading in that area there between 47 and 50. 37 was the initial balance high, so we're 10 to 13 points over the initial balance high. A retest trade could be interesting now because we do have
11:30. Go to bed.
No, I'm not going to take it, but price has put some distance in between the initial balance.
The average range of the bars are 8. You know,
The past two previous candles, the lows aren't touching. So yeah, no, definitely there's a retest trade there. That's a test that a lot of people are going to take. Doesn't mean it's going to work, but it's a trade that a lot of people are going to take if it happens, if it sets up. Terre partie, c'est toute partie. I got my lo-fi music in the background, keeping me relaxed.
Come on, gold. Can you just go so I can get up? Yeah, Woodchip, we hear you, but you're very low.
Let me see what I can do about that.
I think I have a volume button. I just raised you. Not sure if it works.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Or is that too low?
No, it's perfect.
Okay.
It's so loud, it's giving me a headache.
No.
You are quite loud, but no big deal. It's okay.
It's not loud.
I mean, it's good too.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, it's all good. Okay, start singing.
One of my trades is negative 1,000, and the other one is plus 1,000.
Oh, okay, it's cool. They're pretty well matched. They're pretty well matched. Yeah.
I think you really though have to kind of calculate.
The problem is one bus at negative 4.5, right?
No, I think he's on 50K accounts.
I try it.
You're on 50K accounts, no?
Yes, 50.
Yeah,
Also, it's 3 grand.
Okay.
it's 2.5.
Did you guys by chance see the interview Tanya Trades did with Trader Kane?
No.
No, but I know who Trader Kane is.
It's pretty cool. It's short too. I think it's like 17, 18 minutes. I just watched it last night. It's pretty cool.
I watched
He gives
that.
out some good. Well, he has a very simple trading system, and it's ICT based, and it's time based, and he only takes one trade in the London, one trade in the morning. That's it. Sometimes he'll take 2 trades in the morning.
Yeah, he's had, I think, the largest payout from Apex.
No, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, he took one payout for 1.8 million for a
Excuse me. Oh, that's him. That's the guy that got the $1 million payout.
Yeah. He uses inverse for value gaps and SMT in time.
Yep. He didn't divulge much. He just said, I mean, he wasn't that specific about.
No, but his size is huge. Sometimes I see him take like 30 cons.
Mm-hmm.
Correct.
He said his stop is. He says, usually his size is always the same. Is what I thought I heard him say.
You ever watch Humble Trader?
I've heard of that stream.
She's
I might have seen it
Oriental.
once or twice.
Yeah, I haven't watched her stream too much. I'm not a big fan of her trading.
She's not humble.
She's got a ton of followers, though, over 1 million. She's doing something right.
What's her
Subscriber.
name?
Humbled Trader or The Humbled Trader. I'm not sure.
No, what's her actual name? Do you know?
Oh, I have no idea. We can just call her Matilda.
Because there is someone that Nutty argues with often, and she has a huge following.
Yeah. Well, 1.3 million. She knows what she's doing.
I don't know if that's the same one though. I'm trying to remember her name,
Yeah.
her actual name. I check in with Pine Tree Trader.
Okay. Is it Pine Tree? Not just Pine Trader?
Uh,
Or Alpine? It's not Alpine? Or is that somebody else?
It's not. This is a different guy, and he
Ah,
has
okay. Yeah.
small following, but he gets payouts and stuff. So, and he's a very mellow guy. Like,
Yeah. I was getting
Not-
payouts
it's
there
like the opposite of Patrick Whelan.
quite regularly, but now it's stopped. I'm in a drought since November. My last payout was November.
Do I just let it go?
You see, yeah, that's the problem now.
That's
You know,
the hardest part.
it can actually go down, stop you out on the long, and then stop you out on the, and then rotate again and stop you out on the short.
Maybe I'll just.
That's why you got to do it in a period of high volatility. But today's a good day too. I mean, it's a strong bullish day. Anything can happen, but most likely we're just going to continue trading higher.
We just had London close and nothing happened.
So slow.
We're gonna get like a 50-point candle just out of nowhere, and none of us will get it. Well, I will get it because I'm stupid, but I'm being stupid today.
How much did you pay for those accounts? 33, I think. That's what it is right now.
Yeah.
I had my IP address banned by Apex. My account got flagged as a bot. So I was having troubles with some stuff, and I was texting them.
Possible because I bought, you bought, David bought. Like different people on the same
I don't know. So yeah, they said they'll fix it. They fixed it. They fixed it quickly too. It needed to get escalated, but it's, you know, the hold on, I gotta clear my throat.
MQ, what are we on? H.
Yeah, we're all sick over here.
I know. I hope I don't get it.
I don't think it transfers through the.
Okay.
Through cables.
Yeah.
Now I'm on macros. That's dumb. I was trading 20 minis.
20 minis.
Come on, gold, $1.
Or 20 micros, sorry.
Okay.
Come on. 80 cents gold. $0.50 away.
Yeah, 30 or 20 cents away, I'd put the stuff to break even. And for sure, 10 cents away. You're not getting
Ah, bingo, bingo, bingo.
Bingo. Alex hit a bingo.
Bingo, 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 bingo.
Nice.
I'm done for the day. This is way too long.
Dave, you hit a bingo?
You even hit a bingo too then. Okay.
Dave?
I got bad entry. I marketed in. That's terrible. At 58.
He's not answering.
I think he's gone. What's this?
Oh, that's the control panel for your.
Then we're open.
Oh no, well, you're leaving. You said you're done.
That was this.
Yeah.
Bye, wood chip. Have a nice day.
All right, I'll see you. Have a good one.
Close it down.
What chip? You trade ICT?
I want to hear this.
Yes.
Is there a follow-up?
I don't
Dave?
usually talk about it, but
You have to talk louder. I'll use that mic from now on. It'll
because
pick it up.
Mike mentioned you guys do, then I started sharing more of the ICT stuff. People get offended if you share it usually, so
Hey, no. This live is
No.
this live now. Live now.
a lot of haters out there on all the streams of ICT.
You ever hear of
There's 10 fans.
what chip? You ever hear of Zusi?
Yeah, actually, yeah, I saw one of his videos that it's got like music in the background, and
Oh yeah, those are hard to
Michael
learn.
Harrison's talking, and he's like, "Don't tell your family. Imagine your life is going to be changed."
If I close this, do I leave this?
It like goes on and on. It's all dramatic.
You
It's
sticking
really
around?
funny.
It's right here. Conversation.
He has a lot of interesting content though.
Does he?
I'm not sure.
I haven't really. But doesn't he just kind of like copy ICT stuff and repost it?
This is on the way. You know that?
Yeah, he posts his trade recaps, but sometimes he lets go like educational content.
Mm-hmm.
And there's a lot of good stuff he talks about.
Hmm.
He talks a lot about time and how the SIBIs that form at or the fair value gaps that form at certain times are what are like the key levels he mainly uses. Like for example, let's say Monday morning, let's say it's Wednesday, and you see Monday morning a big bullish fair value gap at, let's say it formed at 9 a.m. He's expecting sometime during the week, if we come back into that 1 hour fair value gap, in the 9 a.m.s, like let's say Wednesday 9 a.m. or Thursday 9 a.m., then he's expecting expansion off that because it's where time and price meet. Let's say like 9 a.m. is coming back into a 9 a.m. for value gap from 2 days back. He seems pretty good.
That's cool. Did you get?
Excuse me.
How much of the ICT content did you study?
He
I
did it
did all of his
Everything.
2017 stuff, and then I
Oh,
did all
cool.
of the 2022, and then 2023.
Nice. Yeah, I'm all caught up too. I think I've done almost all of his stuff, every single video, which is crazy.
Yeah, I had a lot of papers. I think I had like
And
1,000 papers printed.
I did. I would listen to each one all the way through regular speed, and then I would go back and re-listen to the ones that had the best content that I felt I didn't understand, and then I'd put them on like 2 times speed and listen to them like 3 more times,
Yeah.
so I can memorize everything.
What really I found works best, I follow this kid. He's actually really good. He's called Aidonomics. I don't know if you ever heard of him.
Nope.
He's very young. I think he just turned 18, and he seems fully legit. He posts payouts. He posts a bunch of requests. He posts his trades every day, and he actually shows the payouts. So at least you know he's getting payouts and his win rate and everything. And he really talks about how his trades, he really likes to see 3 things work together, or at least 2 if you have high conviction. You need SMT, soup,
Yeah,
and delivery.
conversation, that's why.
So for example, you know what an SMT is, right?
Yes.
And you know what a soup is? How to like sweep a low and then close back within the range. And delivery. So delivery means at least like if it comes back into 50% of the range, or if it's delivering from a fair value gap. So let's say you sweep a low into a fair value gap,
120 a day.
and you have your SMT, then you have
Say
all
that
3
again?
confluences. You have
I
your
released it
sweep,
to 120
you
a
have
day
your
profit.
SMT, and you have your
Gives you
delivery.
110
When those
allocation.
3 confluences
No.
are in line, are when mostly he takes his trades.
I was thinking that 140 makes more
Oh,
sense.
And he's
Yeah,
a
that's
very
cool.
smart kid.
That's cool. I'll check it out. What was his name?
Aidonomics, it's AIDENOMICS.
2 days, my hands are.
Okay.
And I think on his YouTube he has some models that he explains. It's like the anticipatory breaker strategy, ABS. He has ABS version 1 and ABS version 2. It's 2 anticipatory breaker strategies. He uses inverse fair value gaps. So that's why he calls it anticipatory breaker strategy. He's anticipating that after the sweep, if we inverse the fair value gap, we're going to continue and form the breaker and continue from there. But he's a very intelligent kid. He studied ICT. He's been trading a long time. He has his own little Discord. He doesn't trade live a lot, but he posts his trades and stuff, and I've learned quite a bit from him. For his age, he's extremely intellectual. He's 18 years old, and he talks like he's 30.
Wow.
I think he said he started trading when he was like 13 or 14. He was getting a bunch of payouts, but he was underage, so he couldn't sign up. So he signed up with his dad's name. Somebody reported the last couple numbers of his account, and he got all of his 5 fundeds with Top Step removed.
Damn.
And now he just turned 18, and he has them back.
That's funny.
I think the top ICT traders to follow really in the industry to learn, I think, are Aidonomics and Zusi. He's let go some very interesting time-based things. Like, you know how like there's the time macros? I don't know what most people use 950 to 1010, 1150 to 1210. Zusi uses, he gives 15 minutes before and 15 minutes after. So it's not only 10 minutes and 10 minutes. And he's let go some PDFs. I don't know if I could find it. I'll send it to you, but it's really interesting about time and price and how the time cycles. Do you use time? Do you use time cycles?
I don't know if I understand that. What do you mean?
Zusi talks about how he utilizes time cycles. Like for example, the ones that he uses are, what was it again? It's 7 to 8:30, 8:30 to 10, and 10 to 11:30. and normally 10 to 11:30 is his distribution cycle, and he really wants you to mark out from those for those hour and a half cycles, like 7 to 8:30, 8:30 to 10. You mark out on the 1 minute count on the 1 minute chart the highs and the lows, and extend it right. And if you sweep one of them, and let's say form an SMT at the highs or close back within the range, then those are like his time-based liquidity levels. That's where he's expecting price to continue or reverse at those cycles, highs and lows. And then he looks for SMT and obviously higher time frame order flow and stuff to see where you are. But those cycles, I noticed, like when I started looking at them maybe 6 months ago, 7 months ago, it's crazy to see how they're really respected, or you push through and then use it to continue in that same direction. They work really well.
Yeah, I do similar. I pay attention to
It's pretty impressive.
the first.
Anyways, I'm going to make breakfast, so I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. Take care, Woodchip.
Okay, yeah, have a good one. And then it was just us.
There we go. Now my mic's working. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. I'm the only one in the world who does that. Yeah, I think I'm going to be calling it a day also. Go get something to eat. Well, everything green, so that's a good day. Bulenox trading the counter-strike system with an automated algo. Apex manually trading, not really a good day in Apex, only $240. On the eval, the PA up 40. I would have liked that to be up 50, so it counts as a day. Maybe I'll take a trade for $10 and get myself over the hump. Didn't take any trades in my Top Step account. Okay, just doing a little personal sound check there. Make sure my mic is on, because I had it on mute and I didn't even know.
Yeah,
I hear you.
I heard you once your mic came back on. It was.
Yeah, I actually muted. I have a little switch actually on the cable also. Like, you know what happens when there's so many different places I can close it in Video Ninja, I can mute it. I can mute it in another section in Video Ninja, I can mute it in OBS, I can mute it on my cable. So you mute one place.
Oh, right.
And I forget which one I did it on. Yesterday I did a stream. I came on at 6 o'clock. I think the first 45 minutes I had no audio. I deleted it. I had no point in keeping that up.
Oh yeah, that's funny. Yeah, I missed the stream.
Shit,
I think I looked later and I was like, wait,
Yeah.
he didn't. I guess he didn't go on.
Well, I don't know. I started off strong, but I ended up red. Oh, shit, the door might ring. Listen, if the door rings, we have a package to return to Amazon. Oh, I don't know if you can hear me. I was saying if the bell rings, it's a package for Amazon. Which up, I think also, I got a lot of work to do, so I think that's it for me also. It's 11:49. I'm not going to get another signal anywhere. Not in the next 10 minutes. I'm all green. For the last hour anyways, I was trading like a scared student in elementary school. I didn't want to say a schoolgirl. I wanted to be politically correct, but nonetheless, I think that's it for me. I'll come back in the evening, maybe just for 45 minutes, and then pick it up tomorrow. Sounds good?
Sure. Sounds good.
Okay, so see you tonight, see you tomorrow, whatever. Hopefully see you soon.
All right. Sounds good.
Okay, bye.
Bye.